Okay, what you gonna go?
What's up, kimchi lovers? In today's video, we're taking in a little bit of that Midwestern farm life. We're heading to the Kenosha area in Wisconsin for some apple picking. But first, we'll share a bit of our Friday dinner. Moody's is an old school pub that's been around since 1959, with dark wood interiors that are cozy in winter and a lush patio you can enjoy in the warmer months. It used to be pretty affordable, but things are quickly changing.
No, I got the candy.
You got a candy? What'd you get?
I got candy. I need a fire.
La verdad es que el de Nico se ve bien bueno. 51?
Yes, I need to come here.
Okay, apparently he has a specific fire truck that's gonna come save him. What you got?
It's a pretty massive burger. Nico, don't put extra salt on your sloppy joe. All right.
That looks pretty good.
Mustard, yeah.
Is it good? 9 out of 10.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
10 out of 10.
It's a good burger.
Get something with you. Who could it be that Santa?
After a rough day, he's all you need.
That lovely dinner of 2 burgers, a sloppy joe, and fries was $70 with the expected 18% tip, which honestly gave us swipe anxiety, but it feels like it's like that everywhere. Yes, we can afford it. No, we don't want to spend our entire paycheck on food, sort of feeling. How are you guys adjusting to these higher prices? This was us having breakfast at a diner and spending $50 for 2 plates of eggs. It's crazy, y'all. Our next adventure luckily didn't break the bank.
We're a young home.
Yeah, where are we going, Nico?
I think we're going to apple picking.
We're going apple picking, guys. Are there donuts there? We're hoping. Papa's hoping, especially. Well, this place doesn't charge a cover fee to enter or anything like that, so we're very excited about that. It's just apple picking, how it should be. But first, yeah. What's that? Nico, do you want some pastries for breakfast?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get some pastries.
This next spot, Cachito, has amazing Venezuelan pastries and very good coffee.
What you order?
So I ordered a mushroom and cream pastry, and then I think like a pizza one, and like a chocolate croissant for Nico. Because he really likes croissants.
He does. Goes in my mouth.
After looking for nearby orchards with no cover charge, we decided to check out R&M Orchards, about an hour and 20 minutes away from us. No frills, just trees here, and the farmers will guide you on what's good to pick and how. We really loved it.
Exactly what we're doing.
All right, so when you come to this specific place, they give you a basket and a picker, right? So here we go.
Which Nico clearly wants.
Yeah, Nico, hold it with 2 hands. If you fill up the basket, it's $38, and if you don't and you do a mix, it's $2.75 per pound. It's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can do grapes, pears, apples, obviously.
There's grapes?
Yeah, there's,
Sweet.
and then I believe they're over there.
Yeah, help Papa. Bring the stick.
Bring the picker.
Oh, we got
that
one.
one's gonna be good.
Right in there. Yay. Good job, puppy.
All right, we got 2.
How is it? Good?
Right, they're all good. Like even though they're smaller,
Oh, these are good.
they're still good.
Ooh,
You got
Papi
one.
got one.
All right, se cayó bien fácil.
Okay.
I dropped one.
Nico's apple's really good. I want to eat some apples with him. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, delicious. Nico, say cheese.
Cheese.
Oh wait, these are amazing.
Give me a second, Nicole.
Are you vibing to music from the 80s? It's amazing. Okay, taking those. It's okay, I don't mind being dirty. This was a success.
I think so.
Nico, do you like apple picking? Mm-hmm. Yes, alright, let's go. He's hanging in there. You need some help? You want me to hold your apple for a second? Ooh, look at you.
No visit to Kenosha is complete without stopping by the Harbor Market, if it's a Saturday, of course, and their public museum.
How's it going, Nico? Oh, it's cable. Ah, sí, es como agua. It's just water. Nico says we've never been here. It's like new to him, but we actually been here like twice. It's a mammoth.
It's called a mammoth.
Look.
We decided to do lunch at Marina Garden, a super simple family restaurant that has all the Midwestern classics.
What you eating there?
Turkey rice soup.
Turkey rice soup. That's an interesting one. It looks like chicken soup with rice. Oh yeah.
Good.
It is. Something that it's really hard to find places like this that serve this kind of food in the city, at least. You have to kind of like go out of your way. But yeah, this is very comforting. It's feels old school. Tastes really good.
It's delicious. Your skillet looks insane. I want some.
All right, so this diner's menu had a lot of items on it. I didn't know what to pick and stressing out. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna pick a skillet. So I got the American skillet, which is 2 scrambled eggs with some hash, sausage, bacon, onions, and it's delicious.
All the meats.
That's just fantastic.
I noticed that a lot of times when we come to these diners, you tend to pick the same dish.
There was this one time, guys. We went to, I think it was Missouri, Mississippi, and all that. And then we went to eat at this diner, and I ordered a turkey dinner, and I couldn't finish it. I actually just tried it. But we went back home to Tennessee, to Memphis, and I put my dinner in the microwave. I went to take a nap, and when I woke up, it was gone because Nabol ate it.
Mira's like, "Where's my food?" I'm like, "What are you talking about? You didn't like it. I ate it." she was so
Why didn't
pissed.
you like it?
Yeah, so I do apologize, but I'm glad that you're able to go to diners and
Get it.
yeah.
I was surprised by the yellow gravy, but it's good.
To round things up, we grabbed coffee at Olafson and Porter Vintage Goods. It's right across the street from Marina, and it's a coffee shop, vintage shop, and community space. With a well-caffeinated system, we took the kiddo to a park by the harbor before calling it a day. On Sunday, Nico demanded we decorate for his favorite season, so we bust out the pumpkins and skeletons and started a dance party to the rhythm of Benito's epic stream concert. The best part is that this isn't music you really need to understand. You just feel it. I mean, have you all seen John Hamon at the event? Well, hope you enjoyed this video. We're also putting together some recipe reels, and we'll keep working on those Spain videos for you all. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.